Ekkaa Electronics is a leading ODM manufacturing company. We are behind a brand. We manufacture for various different brands pan India for different verticals. Which we do start from LED TVs, washing machines, coolers, and various small appliance products also. We are the leading group of companies and having 3 state-of-art factories across India. Yes, Fan Expo, this is the first time we are at. Experience is pretty good. A lot of people knows about our. They want to see how growth we have developed our products. They want to see our products, and it is good for them also to understand about ourselves and the way we are displaying our product. They are willing to add with us and start with Ekkaa. Organizers have done a pretty good job despite poor weather condition. Uh, Everything is good. Footfall is good. People are coming up, and since the display is very good, so people are, want to have knowledge about the products. So it is pretty good. Display is good. Everything is good. So I think this kind of fairs are useful for every companies and for as well the brand owners also and as well users also. Fan Expo is definitely a great success, and as a manufacturer also we would love to participate in such kind of exhibitions to show off our product also, and people should know, even the end customer should know about what Ekkaa is doing. It is a fast growing company in India.